Welcome to this week's episode of Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And Walking in Circles is about reaching your goals 1/4 mile at a time. And it's so interesting because so much of reaching our goals has to do with what's going on in our brains and the resistance that we may or may not be feeling. So I know I've trained and ran a couple of marathons in my lifetime, many half marathons. And what I have found in that experience, which is an amazing experience, is that doing something like that is about 95% mental. Of course, you have to train your body to be able to do it, and you have to build up slowly so that you don't injure yourself. But most of the training is in your mind, reminding yourself that you can do hard things, that you can push further, that you can do it, that you're amazing, that you're fantastic. I know the first time I ran a marathon, afterward, the next day, I was so surprised because my arms hurt so bad. I could hardly lift my arms, and I'm like, that is so weird. My legs should be tired. Yeah, they're a little tired, but what's up with my arms? Well, we had trained our minds so hard mentally to be able to do this marathon. And part of that training was just saying, hey, we're amazing, we're awesome, we can do this. So I found myself during the race running the whole thing with my arms above my head like this, cheering myself on. So 26 miles of cheering. The next day my arms were exhausted. I could hardly lift them. But we did feel so much that the mental training had paid off. And I'm here to encourage you to, if you're like getting resistance when it comes to maybe a fitness goal or any goal that you have, you may just have to train your brain. Remind yourself how amazing you are, how you can do hard things. You've done it before. And it's just, our brain is a muscle, probably not technically, but we just have to train the muscle, train the thought, train the actions. And so it's pretty amazing how our thoughts can affect our goals, the accomplishment of them. So I know for me, in order to reach my goals, oftentimes it has everything to do with what I did the night before. Did I set myself up for success for the next morning? And then, like many things that I do, that I maybe, it's not easy, but I want to do it for the success of my life, my business, my family. I love to use tools like this one to anchor my brain, to kind of use a reminder. Like when my brain smells this, it knows. It knows that it's time to get moving, or it knows it's time to sit down and concentrate and focus, or it knows it's time to be quiet and go inward or journal, or it knows it's time to relax and unwind and get ready for bed. So those are all very powerful anchors that I use in my routine in order to stick to my goals. So this is Heidi talking about, 1/4 mile at a time can help us. But one drop, one tool One drop can help to anchor in our minds the things that we want to accomplish. So I'm curious if you have any tools in your toolbox that helps you to reach your goals. And I hope you have a fantastic Monday. It's beautiful here this morning, and you know, motion is lotion for the body, so my body is like so grateful that we're moving. And I hope you have a great day.